What's going on, y'all? I don't know if you ever had pig feet before, but we finna cook them today. But anyway, let's get it. So the first thing we gonna do is start off with running us a large tub of water. Now I fill this pot up about halfway through, and then we gonna add in our crab boil. Now this is a extra large pot, and we're adding a quarter cup of crab boil, a third a cup of basil, a third a cup of oregano, and I also added one whole onion and 5 cloves of whole garlic, y'all. And we're just gonna bring this up to a boil. Once it come up, we're gonna add in our pig feet. Once we get them delicious pig feet in, we're gonna add in a turkey wing. Now usually I would add in turkey necks, but we didn't have any. The ones at the store looked horrible. And we're just gonna let this boil for about an hour. We're gonna get all the grime off top, and then we're gonna add our potatoes in. Give that a good mix. And as you can see, that turkey wing then pretty much boiled all the way down. After we get our taters in, we're gonna get in 2 cans of corn. Give that a good mix. Now it's time for that delicious smoked sausage, y'all. Now you want to use the smoked sausage that you like, but hey, I'm using Eckert's today. Give that a good mix, and we're gonna bring all those flavors together in about another 30 minutes. And once we done, this is what we got, y'all. So first off, let's taste a piece of that pig feet. And oh my goodness, it's all broke down. So good, y'all. So good. Got the right amount of spice on it. Exactly how I like it. So now we gotta try that potato, y'all. And that sausage. So good. So tasty. You know, the contrast in these flavors are so good. It don't make no sense, y'all. If you never had it, this is something you should try. Now, I would have the turkey neck instead of the wing, because the wing actually didn't go quite as well with this, but it still was good, y'all. But anyway, as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.